Hello, hello, and a massive welcome to our most detailed English lesson ever. I am so thrilled to have you here.
Hi, everyone. We are going big today. We aren't just scratching the surface. We are diving deep into the ocean of English health vocabulary.
But first, let's talk about your weekend. How did you spend it? Did you go for a long walk in the fresh air? Did you relax with a good book?
Or maybe you cooked a healthy meal? Tell us every detail in the comments. We want to know how you recharge your batteries.
Now, let's get serious. Talking about health is one of the most stressful things a language learner can do.
Why is that? Because when you are in pain, your brain doesn't want to think about grammar. It just wants to feel better.
We see students struggle every day. They go to the doctor and say, "Teacher, I don't know how to explain my stomach."
They feel a language wall. They know the word pain, but they don't know the difference between an ache, a sting, and a throb.
Let's look at the common mistakes first. Mistake number 1, using the word sick for everything.
If you say, "I am sick," a doctor in the UK or US might think you are about to throw up, vomit, but you might just have a cold.
Mistake number 2, translating directly from your native language. In some languages, you say, "My head is screaming." In English, we say, "I have a splitting headache."
Mistake number 3. Not knowing the names of internal organs. You can't just point to your belly. You need to know stomach, liver, kidneys, and lungs.
Mistake number 4. Confusion between hurt, pain, and ache. These are not the same.
Hurt is usually a verb. My leg hurts. Pain is a noun. I have a sharp pain. Ache is a long, dull feeling. I have a backache.
Let's provide the ultimate solution. We call it the symptom map.
The first part of the map is the quality of pain. You must use adjectives.
Is it sharp, like a knife? Is it dull, like a heavy weight?
Is it constant, meaning it never stops? Or is it intermittent, meaning it comes and goes?
The second part is the frequency. How often does it happen?
Does it happen every morning? After eating? When I exercise? When I lay down?
The third part is associated symptoms. What else is happening?
I have a cough plus a runny nose, and I feel chilly.
Let's learn vocabulary for the head and face.
You have migraines, which are very bad headaches. You have dizziness when the room feels like it is spinning.
You have sinus pressure, which is when your face feels heavy near your nose and eyes.
You have migraines, which are very bad headaches. You have dizziness when the room feels like it is spinning.
Let's learn vocabulary for the torso and chest.
Shortness of breath means you can't breathe easily. Chest tightness feels like someone is squeezing you. Heartburn isn't about your heart. It's that burning feeling in your chest after eating spicy food.
Let's learn vocabulary for digestion.
Bloated means your stomach feels full of air. Nauseous means you feel like you might vomit.
Constipated means you can't go to the bathroom. Diarrhea is the opposite.
Now, let's look at the pharmacy, chemist vocabulary.
You need to know over-the-counter, OTC. These are medicines you buy without a doctor's note, like aspirin.
You need to know prescription. This is the paper the doctor gives you to get stronger medicine.
You need to know dosage. How many pills? Take 2 tablets twice a day after meals.
Let's do a long conversation role play between a patient and a nurse.
Hi there, I'm Nurse Sarah. I'm going to take your vitals. How are you feeling today?
Honestly, nurse, I feel quite weak. I've had a fever for 3 days.
I'm sorry to hear that. Have you been taking any medication for the fever?
I took some paracetamol, but the fever keeps coming back every 6 hours.
Okay. Any other symptoms? A cough or a sore throat?
My throat is very itchy, and I have a dry cough. No phlegm, just coughing.
Any muscle aches or joint pain?
Yes, my whole body feels heavy, and my joints ache, especially my knees.
I'll take your temperature now. Lean back and relax. Now let's do a doctor's consultation role play.
Good afternoon. I see the nurse took your temperature, and it's a bit high. Tell me about this cough.
It's very persistent, doctor. It's worse at night and prevents me from sleeping.
Do you feel any pain in your chest when you cough?
Only a little bit of soreness, like I've been exercising too much.
I'm going to listen to your lungs. Take a deep breath in and out.
Is it serious, doctor?
It sounds like a common chest infection. I'm going to prescribe some antibiotics.
Now for some motivation. Why should you keep trying?
Because being able to explain your health is about more than just English. It's about your safety and your family's safety.
Don't feel bad if you have to use your phone to translate a word. That is a smart tool, not a sign of failure.
Every time you go to the doctor and use one new word, like bruise or swelling, you are winning.
Think about how far you have come. A year ago, maybe you couldn't even say headache. Now you can describe the quality of the pain.
We believe in you. The medical world is full of big words, but at the end of the day, it's just humans helping humans.
Remember, practice these sentences while you are healthy, so you are ready when you are sick.
Record yourself speaking. Listen to how you say symptoms and prescription.
We are so proud of your hard work. You are becoming a confident English speaker.
Keep pushing, keep learning, and most importantly, stay healthy.
Thank you for watching this giant lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.
We'll see you in the next video for more English tips. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Take care of yourself.